Hey guys, Jasur is here from Shanghai Silk Road International Trading Company, and today I would like to talk about this very interesting question, which is what are the best ways to import from China in 2019? So a lot of people ask this question, and I understand them because as a business owner, you have a lot of expenses, and naturally you want to reduce them and find the best ways to conduct your business, especially with China. So, for example, if you're located in UK or in United States, you want to import Chinese-made products for cheap prices, and you want to find the best ways. Of course, there are a lot of platforms to do that. First one is Alibaba, right? Alibaba is the most common one, and there's a second one is AliExpress, okay, both of which are owned by Alibaba Group. And Alibaba is business to business, AliExpress is business to consumer platform. So in Alibaba, you can import in huge quantities, and on AliExpress you can buy, single items. Okay, the prices are different on both platforms, and these are the platforms. But are there any better ways to import from China? In most cases, people want to buy in huge quantities on Alibaba and end up paying a lot of fees. For example, fees for the freight forwarding company, and fees for the wholesale, products, etc., etc. But what are other ways? Can you make this easier for you? Okay, if you're a serious importer, if you want to start this business seriously in your company, and you want to make it easier, we always suggest you register a Chinese company. Okay, why? Because there are a lot of advantages when you have a Chinese company. What kind of Chinese company you can have? The general rule in this case for import business is to register a trading company in China, wholly owned by foreign person, foreign citizen. Okay, you don't have to have a Chinese partner in China or Chinese citizen to share the business with. Okay, being in United States, being in UK or Brazil or whatever, Argentina, you can own the entire business yourself, and then start doing import business from China. Okay, how does it work? For example, you register your trading company in China as a foreign citizen, and then your Chinese company, technically, legally speaking, it will be treated as a Chinese company, equal to companies which are owned by Chinese people in China. So what are the advantages? Basically, that company can issue invoices, okay, to your existing company in your country, and receive payments from your own existing company in China, because under your Chinese company you will have three different accounts. Okay, one account, RMB account, is multi-purpose account, which can receive and make payments for goods and services. Another two USD accounts, foreign currency accounts. One of them can receive and make USD payments for services, and another one obviously for products. Okay, receive and make payments. So this is another advantage. So imagine your company, existing company, wants to import a product from China, and then you can use this Chinese entity of yours to export from China and to your own existing company in your country. Okay, that way is much smoother, much easier and cost effective than doing it through a third company. Okay, through Alibaba, where you don't really see companies in China, and there are lots of scams happening. A lot of people get scammed, a lot of people get cheated on Alibaba because they don't see first the product, and they don't see the company behind Alibaba, the registered company. I'm not here to say that those are the bad ways. It's really bad and inconvenient to do business on Alibaba. It is convenient, of course. I'm not saying that. It's just If you want to make the process much more reliable, if you want to make the process easier, and if you want to get full control over the process, it's easier to register a company. You know, invest like the company registration fee. That's all. You don't have to invest much, just the company registration fee, and then you can control the whole process yourself. All right. You can receive payments to your own Chinese company and then make payments to factories here, okay, suppliers. And those suppliers, believe me, once they deal with your Chinese company here, they will treat your Chinese company differently than they treat your foreign company. Okay, the chances of being cheated, chances of being lied to or scammed are much low, actually zero, uh, when you use your Chinese company rather than your foreign company when dealing with factories here. Okay, because why? WFOE is a Chinese registered, like located in China company. If anything goes wrong, you can easily sue those factories or those suppliers in China. Okay, your company is a Chinese entity. I'm not talking about the nationality here. I'm talking about the legal side of the things. Okay, your company will be Chinese registered company, registered in China, and it will have full rights just like the other local companies. And plus, if you want to issue special invoices, a trading company, WFOE, trading WFOE can issue special invoices as well. Okay, so you can take advantage from this side as well. And plus, you can also export. Using your Chinese company, you can also export under your own company to your existing company abroad. Okay, see, there are so many advantages. You don't have to use other company, to make the export, to process the export, okay, to your existing company over there. So yeah, this option can is actually suggested to those business people who want to do import business from China. They want to invest their time and money into this business seriously. So we can help you with that. Okay, our company is based in Shanghai, and you can always contact us using these QR codes through WeChat, or you can just send us an email or give us a call anytime. Okay, so about WeChat, if you don't have WeChat, please download it, because most of the suppliers, most of the people in China, they use WeChat. Okay, WeChat is the most common social platform. All right, so if you once you download WeChat, go to this top right hand corner where there is a plus button inside a circle next to search bar, and you just press that, and then you will have a scan functionality. Use that scan functionality and scan these QR codes so that you can add our account on WeChat. Okay, so first one is the individual account if you want to speak to a person. Second one is our official page on WeChat if you want to stay up to date with current business laws and regulations in China. All right, so thank you.